wraps around this motherfucker. Ooh, that was tight with one hand. What's poppin', squad? We are in and out today, and we gonna see what it do. Do.
Hi, how are you?
Good. How you doing?
I'm doing good. What can we get started?
Can I get your the animal style double? That comes with cheese, right?
Yeah.
Okay, and then instead of diced onion, can I have the whole onion?
The whole grilled onion?
Grilled, yeah.
Yeah.
And then let me have animal style fries, but can you make the fries well done?
Of course.
And some peppers. I want to try them peppers.
The chilies on the side?
Yes,
yeah,
ma'am.
Cool. Anything to drink today?
No, that's it.
Oh, okay. Would you like to sit in the car today?
Yep.
Of course. So we have a double animal style with whole grilled onions instead of the grilled onions on there, and then the animal fry well done in the side of the peppers.
Yep.
Perfect.
Now, do they only give me a certain amount of peppers, or can I add?
How many did you want? I could put on here.
How many come? I don't, because this is my first time trying them. I don't know how they come.
Of course. The little pack comes with 2.
Oh, with 2?
Yeah.
Can I get like 6?
Yeah.
So 3 packs?
So 3 packs.
Yeah.
Okay. Anything else for you today?
No, that'd be it.
Okay, perfect. So it's gonna be $9.19 at the first window. Please.
Cool. Thank you.
Thank you.
Yep, you heard it. That's why I'm coming today. Gonna see what it do. Last time I tried the animal style, it was a single patty. But today I'm feeling like living on the edge. I'm gonna eat a double. You gotta come in and out. Look at that, man. Y'all see that? Ah, there's the sign right there. Way up there. That means it's cracking. Yep, we gotta come at the right time. Look at that line. Look. Where I bring the party with me. Okay, squad. We got those animal fries. Well done. And there goes that double animal style. Ooh, yeah, it's going down. What's poppin', squad? It's your boy Twampson, and I'm back with another Mukbang / food review. Hey, and before we get into it, if you like food reviews like I do, consider hitting that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you won't miss out on any new videos. Let's get it. So today, squad, I'm having In-N-Out. As you already know, that double animal style. Woo! Along with the animal style fries. Man, I'll see if I can hold this up for you guys without making a mess. Because these things gonna get you in trouble. Look at that. Ooh. I don't want to tilt them because I don't want it to spill. We're gonna handle those second. But first, let's get to this burger. But yeah, we ain't playing around today, squad. And I got a new little camera angle because my phone is big and I can't put it in the original spot like I did with my other phone because it was smaller. But anyway, we're gonna make it work. Woo, shit! Look at this mo. Ooh. You want a bite? Take a bite. You can have a bite. I haven't seen you in a long time. Here, take a bite. One more. That's okay. All right, let's get it. That bite wasn't cool. Everything started sliding out the bottom. Damn. Don't do me like that. This is gonna be messy as shit. How you gonna do me like that, in and out? You just gonna slide out the back. That ain't cool. And I got some of these chili peppers. Trying these for the first time. I heard that they're bam. So you know I had to hop on it. Open one of these bad boys up. Woo! This one's gonna be a messy one, y'all. That's what she said. Okay, let me get this together. All right, so bear with me. This is how I see it's done. Put some of this pepper. Squeeze that juice in there. That was good. Gives it a little kick. I can appreciate that. This was a double, animal style. Give it a little kick, huh? This is my first time having the peppers. They're good. I never knew about them until I was watching all these other videos. And then the homie David Tran was telling me about it too. He's like, man, next time you go to In-N-Out, because I did an In-N-Out video before on my first time trying animal style burger. He was telling me to do, next time try the 3x3 animal style, and he was telling me about these peppers. I was like, yeah, man, I've been hearing about the peppers, and I see a lot of people who do mukbangs at In-N-Out eat those peppers. I never knew they existed, but they're cool. But what's poppin', squad? How y'all been? I've been in MIA for a minute. For a hot second, not a minute, for a hot second. You know, I got other things I got going on. But no excuses. I'm back like I never left. So that burger is gone. Let's get to these animal fries. And they're well done. They look fire. Hold on. Let me use my hands for these outside fries. You know what I'm saying? Damn. really wish I could put my camera where I want it. This is my second time ever having animal style fries. They're cool, you know what I mean? It's just a lot to work with. You can get, I know they can get messy. You gotta be careful. Have any of you guys tried the 3x3 or the 4x4? And if so, did you finish it? Let me know in the comments. Because, man, that's a mouthful for sure. That's what you said again. So what we're gonna do, oh yeah, beautiful day out. Just a little windy, but I like it. I know some of the homies don't like it. They got allergies. This wind be flaring them allergies. I'm glad I don't have allergies. I don't have to deal with that. I'll have another video uploaded tomorrow. Knocked out 3 this week. Just stay tuned. You know when you eat in the car and when they ask you, are you gonna have it in the car to go? I was in the car, I didn't know they can give you a bag. I need a bag so I can take this with me. That is nice. But yeah, squad, that was your In-N-Out double animal style burger along with the animal style fries. Well done also. Along with some peppers on the side. So for my review, everything was good. 5 being the best, I give that burger a 5. I should give no, I'm gonna take that back. I'm gonna give it a 4.7. For the simple fact, when I took that first bite, everything slid out the back. I make a mess. Oh my gosh, I don't like that. But other than that, I give that burger a 4.7. And for the animal fries, I give that a 4.7 also. But yeah, you guys, remember, if you like the video, hit it with a thumbs up. And if you didn't like the video for whatever reason, give it a thumbs down. It's all good. I'm not tripping. Remember, spread love and not hate. And always keep it G. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button. On to the next one. Peace.